Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into Santa Cruz. Now, Santa Cruz is one of the main towns in St Elizabeth. It's actually the busiest town in St Elizabeth, but it's not the capital. The capital is Black River. Now on the left is Stet's, a very popular school in St Elizabeth. So, okay, if we were to turn right there now, we'd go on the bypass for Santa Cruz. It takes you on the outskirts of the town, so you don't have to go through it. But we are heading towards the town center. So this is the entrance to the school, St Elizabeth Technical High School. Very prominent high school, one of the top schools in Jamaica, and probably the top school in St Elizabeth. Or I should say one of. So we're heading into the town center now. This is Santa Cruz. On the left is KFC. On the right is the NHD office. In Santa Cruz, you're going to find all the infrastructure you need for a major town. You have all the food stores, the supermarkets, the post office, police station, all the government offices have a location here. Santa Cruz could easily be the capital of St. Elizabeth, but these capitals or these parishes were created years ago, or formed I should say, when Jamaica was a colony of the British. And back then, this is probably like 200-300 years ago, everything happened via sea, ships. So you find that the port towns became the capitals of each parish. And Jamaica has been an independent country for so long, and they haven't changed it. But Santa Cruz is much busier than Black River. Same way in St. Anne, you have St. Anne's Bay as the capital, but Ocho Rios is definitely the main town over there. And Ocho Rios should not even be a town. Ocho Rios should be a city, or even a parish by itself. But definitely Ocho Rios should have city status. Alright, so if we turn left here now, we would go up to Junction. Turn right, you take you towards the bypass road. And we're going to go straight and go through the town. And Santa Cruz is one of the main towns you pass through when you're driving on the south coast of Jamaica. To get to Black River, you have to basically come off the main road